A key to painting loose watercolor flowers is knowing how to avoid stiff boundary lines. You can transform your painting from looking too controlled to feeling more fluid and relaxed by making a few simple changes. For today's materials, I'm working on 300 GSM 100% cotton cold-pressed watercolor paper. And my brushes are Davinci round brushes, which are animal bristle brushes. This material will create much more natural results compared to synthetic bristles. The paint is from Mijello. I use it because it's not very dispersive, which is important for today's art. And also I have put all the details below in the description section. First, I'm loading some thick paint. The paint I'm using is Quinacridone Permanent Rose from the tin, and directly dab a dot on the paper. I'm using a clean watery brush to paint from the outer area above the dot and towards the dot until my brush meets the dot. This will help you eliminate any mistakes if you find it challenging to control the petal shape. Now we can see the paint naturally bleed a little into the wet petal-shaped area. I'm dabbing a little thick yellow paint on the petals before the original reddish colors dry. So you can see this color is fading into the background smoothly without harsh edges. I'm adding some ivory black now to the end of the flower head, and then use a liner brush to paint the stems. And finally, I'm painting some decorative dots and circles for a dreamy effect.